Brandon's brave. Brain Book Club. Stories start today. Brandon reads aloud. Come learn and play. Join the fun, let's smile away.
Hi there, my name is Brandon and welcome to my Brave Brain Book Club. Today I have Stitch here with me today, and hopefully I'll sound like Chris Sanders, so I hope I'll do a good job. So let's get started. Aloha. Cali's Calm Down Kit by Brandon and Lester Towel. Dedication. For every child who feels too much at once, this story is for you and your growing Calm Down Kit. With love, Brandon and Esther Raquel, the Brave Brain Team. Cali the Chameleon changed colors all day, pink when she laughed and green when she played. But when things got tricky or feelings ran high, she'd flash fiery red or turn deep ocean shy. When someone said, no, or a game got too loud, Cali's whole body would blend into a crowd. She'd freeze, or she'd fume, or sometimes she'd flee. Why do I feel so much inside me? At lunch, in the jungle, her fruit cup fell down. Her ribs rolled away, and she did a hard frown. A monkey laughed loudly. Oops, clumsy tail! Cali turned purple and ran down the trail. She hid in a tree stump, her heart beating fast. I don't like this feeling. I want to pass. She curled into silence, unsure what to do, until Brave Brain appeared with a whispery, whoa. Hello there, Cali. Brave Brain said with care. I saw your fruit drop, and the stare and the flare. You fell overwhelmed. I ran far away. Want to help calm me down? And kind of a little run? Cali peeked out. Yes, but my feelings are big. Sometimes they'd stop like an elephant's gig. Brave Brain smiled kindly. That's where we all began. with a calm down kit that'll help you keep deep within. A calm down kit? Cali blinked in surprise. Like a backpack of feelings with magic inside? Brave Brain giggled. Not quite, my friend. It's a set of tools to help feelings bend. You can keep them in a pouch or jar or a box, or even imagine them tucked in your socks. It's not what it looks like. It's what helps you feel right. Now, would you try building now, here tonight? So they started together, learning tools that could fit, like slow belly breathing and a sparkly fidget kit. Spirals calming stone, a favorite short book, a drawing of grandma, a soft fuzzy look. Just like Stitch. And Cali added a card that said that you are enough, and a stretchy red band she could pull when it's tough. She tuckered in a sticker of Brave Brain's kind face, then zipped it all up in a snuggly case. The next day in school, her pants are broken too. Her tummy thrust tight. She didn't know what to do. She reached for her kit, then traced her course down while ready to go. Hold on, let me read this page. She reached for her kit, took a breath out soft and slow. Then trace further, slows down, farther than it go. Her colors stay calm, a leafy, bright teal. Her storm passed slowly like a soft spinning wheel. Her friends gathered near and gave her some space. Cali smiled gently, with soft on her face. That Cali still changes her color all day, but her calm jacket always helps her find a way. She doesn't need to hide or run off or cry. She whispers, breathes, moves a helpful way. And when someone else is storming in the heat, she offers her bench, seat, or treat. Want to sit with me on cover or be? Or borrow a sticker when you need to leave? The end. How to build your calm down kit. 1. Find a container. 2. Choose a few tools. Squeezy ball, your favorite book, comic stone. 3. Pack it inside. 4. Use when needed. Read deeply, squeeze a tool, read a book. Your calm down kit is yours. Fill it with whatever helps you feel safe or strong. And story, dance, and sing. Safe space shuffle. Step out, then step side to side. Step back strategy. Take one step. Count. It's 1, 2, 3. Cool down countdown. Freeze, breathe, and count to 5. And that's basically it. And we have a coloring book and activities. So, if you want to use it, the link is in the description below. And then, so that's how, and so that's Brandon's brain for you. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a little bit. Bye. It's the J-Bot. Bye.
You read with your heart, you listened so true. You felt all the feelings, yes, even the blue. Now take what you learned, let it shine through, because your brave brain grows every time you do. Brave brain says you're doing great. Come back anytime.
Vivi's got a volcano voice. It rumbles loud, it shakes her choice. When things go wrong or feel unfair, she starts to steam and flare the air. Cool the lava down, don't let it blow. You've got tools to help you slow. Stop and breathe or count to 4. You don't have to slam the door. Her fists get tight, her cheeks turn red. I wanna yell, her volcano said. But brave brain whispered, not too late. Let's try to regulate. Cool the lava down, don't let it blow. Splash some calm and let it go. Walk it out or shake your arms. Anger's real, but you've got charms. You can feel mad and still be kind. Let the lava stay behind. Hot inside, but cool outside. Brave brains help the heat subside. Now Vivi roars, but soft and low. I need a break before I blow. She stomps her feet, then draws a flame and plays the cool it name again. Cool the lava down, you're strong. Even when the day feels wrong, you can pause, you can try, you can choose not to fry. Cool the lava down, be bold. You don't have to lose control. There's power in a thoughtful frown. You're brave enough to cool it down. So next time lava starts to rise, take a breath and close your eyes. You're fierce and kind, you wear the crown like Vivi, who cools the lava down. You feel that heat rising, brain says we don't freeze, we cool it down. 5 steps, one move at a time. 5. Freeze your feet, feel your breath, breathe your face. 2 a yes, 1 take a step back. Don't react now, brains got your back. Cool down, don't break down. Step by step, take that crown. Cool down, count it low. Body still, mind and flow. Cool down, name that vibe. Brave brain still stay alive. Cool down, don't need loud. You're still strong without the crowd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how brave brains rise and thrive. That's how brave brains rise and thrive. That's how brave brains rise and thrive. 5. Hands on heart, 4 eyes away. Drain the urge, don't engage. 1 breathe in deep hold, then go. That's your moment, let it show. You ain't weak for slowing down. That's a move that builds your crown. 5 steps strong, watch me glide. Then I don't need to run or hide. Big emotions, but I choose to move with grace, not light the fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brave brains breathe and brave brains thrive. Cool down, count it low. Hold your ground and take it slow. Cool down, feel the shift. That's your mind, that's your gift. Cool down, don't break the flow. You're the calm in the glow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how the brave survive. This is how the brave survive. This is how the brave survive. Down, breathe it in. Let them wonder how you stayed so chill.
They said what? You feel it coming, but brave brain says, step back, don't snap.
That's strategy.
They pushed my button, raised their tone. My fist went tight, felt all alone. I wanted to scream, I wanted to show, but brave brain whispered, let's not go. I held my breath, I froze the frame. I stepped back out of the blame. 1 move back, but it's not fear. It's choosing peace when pain is near.
Step back, hold your peace. Cool your heat, let pressure cease. Step back, don't feed the fight. You got strength, you got insight. Step back, you still got pride. You don't need to shout to shine. That's brave brain strategy. Step back and lead calmly, hold.
I don't lose just cause I pause. That's the real win in the cause. Give respect, keep my face. Walk away with quiet grace.
Feel the urge, take 1 breath. That choice, that's what's left. Brave brain says it's not retreat. It's wisdom in the heat.
1 step back, 2 thoughts clear. I'm strong enough to stay near. I can choose what I do next. Not every fight deserves my flex.
This is my call, my code, my lane.